Good morning to all. Today our chapter is growth and depreciation. Growth and depreciation from the book Innovative Math. Okay. Exercise 2C. Question number 11. Just see what is given. The population of a town increases by 7%. Growth rate given 7% every year per annum. What was its population in 2013? If in 2015 it was 1,60,286. 2015 population given, you have to find out previous population, that is 2013, 2 years back. Okay. Just see first of all you have to write what is given. What is given? That is rate of growth 7% per annum. Population in 2013 not given, you have to find out. B, that is population in 2015 given 1,60,286. Number of years n is equal to 2015 to 2013. 13 to 15 means 2 years. Just apply the formula V is equal to V0 1 plus R by 100 whole to the n. N means here 2, R means 7, V0 not given, V means final population 2015 का population दिया है. Therefore 1,60,286 equal to V0 whole into 107 by 100 whole square. Means you have to multiply this side 100 into 100 by 107 into 100. It will be cancelled. Both are cancelled by coming 14 into 10,000, that is coming 1,40,000. Therefore, population in 2013 was 1,40,000. Okay. Let us go question number 12. Just see what is given question number 12. Question number 12, as per the question it is given, the cost of a machine is supposed to increase every year at 10% of its value at the beginning of the year. If the machine is valued to be 66,000 at the beginning of 2013, find its value at the beginning of 2015. That means this will be V0, V you have to find out. Again, at the beginning of 2012 means 2012 means back, 1 year back, you have to find out. Okay. So first to write the value of the machine. If the machine is valued to be 66,000 at the beginning of 2013, and you have to find out at the beginning of 2015. So in this question number 12, first to write what is given. V0 for first case, V0, that is value at the beginning of 2013. What is that? That is rupees 66,000. Next value you have to find out value at 2015 you have to find out. Okay. And rate of growth means increase rate given 10% per annum. Increase rate given 10% per annum. Now the time will be 2 years. V is equal to V0 1 plus as it given growth. Increase means growth rate given 1 plus R means you are 10 by 100 whole to the time will be 2013 to 2015 means 2 years. V0 given 66,000. This will be how much? 1 by 10 means 11 by 10, 1 0 cancel into 11 by 10. Okay. Just multiply 2 0 cancel here, 660 into 121. Okay. After multiplication you will get the value in the year 2015, beginning of the 2015. Okay. Just multiply. It is coming 79,860. 79,860 is the value at the beginning of 2015, and the value of the machine at the beginning of 2013 it was given 66,000. The rate of increase or growth rate given 10%. means 1 plus 10 by 100, 0 cancel, 1 by 10, 1 plus 1 by 10 means 11 by 10, square given, you have to write 2 times, 10, 10, 100, those 0 cancel, 660 into 121. After that it becomes 79,860. Let us go the second part. That value we have to find out at the beginning of 2012. Select the value of the beginning, just see how to solve. For second part, V0, that will be value at 2012, not given, and V, that is value at 2013, it is given rupees 66,000. Growth rate same, that is 10% per annum. Okay, now you have to apply the formula same. V is equal to V0 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power. Time will be how much? 2012 2013 means 1. V0 not given. V given how much? 66,000. V0 not given, 1 plus rate given 10, 10 by 100 whole to the power 1. 1 0 cancel. 66,000 is equal to V0. This will be 11 by 10. Now 66,000 10 by 11 is equal to V0. 11 6 6,000 into 10, this will be 60,000 rupees. 60,000 coming. Okay, the value of the machine, therefore value of the machine at 2012 was rupees 60,000. In this way, question of 12 also completed. The last part, last question left, that is number 13. The population of a town increases by 10% in the first year and decreases. See, very carefully see. The population of a town increases. Increase rate given 10% in the first year and decrease rate given 10% in the second year. If the present population of the town is 75,000, what will be its population after 2 years? Time given 2 years. The first rate what is given in this question, number 13. Present population, that is V0. V0 given how much? 75,000. And V you have to find out. First rate, that is growth rate. Growth rate given 10%. And after that is rate of decrease. Rate of decrease. Rate of decrease. Rate of decrease given 10%. And time given n is equal to 2 years. First year, second year. Now you have to find out final value. Therefore, final value is equal to V is equal to V0 1 plus R1 by 100 in case of growth and 1 minus R2 by 100 and given decrease rate given. Now V0 is equal to 75,000, 1 plus R1 given rate of growth 10%, 10 by 100. Again 1 minus rate of decrease given 10%, 10 by 100. How much coming? 75,000. 1 0 cancel, that means 1 plus 1 by 10 means 11 by 10. This will be 1 0 cancel, 10 minus 1, 9, 9 by 10. Now 2 0 cancel, 750 into 99. Just multiply, you will get the final population after 2 years. You will get, okay, just multiply. The final population after 2 years coming 74,250. Okay, this is the last number of exercise 2C, growth and depreciation. I hope you are able to understand. Okay, number 12, number 13, number 11 today completed. Thank you for today's class. Like that, do remaining.